Hey guys, this is Stephanie Farron. I'm the Technology Facilitator at Butler High School, and this quick video tech talk is about how to use Canvas to record screencasts or record information. First thing I'm going to do is go into a Canvas course. In this case, I'm in my Sandbox course to show you an example. I'm under assignments to show you how to record, but just so you know, you can record both in assignments, in discussions, in quizzes, basically in anything that has a text box, and so can your students back to you. So I'm going to click the sample assignment that I've been using, and I'm going to edit it, or you can create a new assignment. For any assignment, you're going to get the title, and then you're going to get your text box that you'll provide your directions. Right above your text box, however, you're going to have a series of icons. So I want to put my mouse where I want to put my video, and then I want to come across until I find, it almost looks like a YouTube icon. It says record and upload videos. When I click that, it's going to prompt me to allow Flash to play the video and the microphone. Once I do that, I'll see the light come on the top of my keyboard, my screen for my computer. I should see myself as you see me now. And when I click record, it's going to record my video directly in what I'm doing. And then when I'm done, I will simply click stop. I will also get to preview it. If I like it and click save, it will place that video right where I have my mouse for the content. I can then also use that video in other courses if I like in Canvas. So it's a great tool to use to insert videos, to provide information and feedback to your students. It's a great tool to provide information that then they can listen to a lecture or so forth back. It might not be the best tool to demonstrate something unless you're going to hold it up to the webcam. Good luck.